Hey non-techies, and welcome to another non-techie tutorial. If you are new here, we are so glad to have you. I am Denise Nicole, your non-techie teacher. And before we jump into it, I just want to say thank you, because if you are here, what that means is that you have downloaded this coming soon funnel template. And you are here to learn how to edit that for your own System.io platform, for your own business, for your own personal endeavors. And so I just want to congratulate you on whatever it is that you have going on. And again, thank you for downloading my coming soon page, because you liked what you saw. So let's just go ahead and jump into how to edit it for your purposes, so that my links and my names are not over all the things that you are doing. Because although it is a one-click install, it does still require some editing on your part. So we're going to go ahead and click on it so that we can open it up. And the first thing that you'll see is that it says non-techies coming soon. So I am using my DIY Denise Nicole email and System.io account. So wherever I replace non-techies with DIY Denise is where you're going to replace non-techies with whatever it is that you're doing. Here, where you see me remove non-techies and type in DIY Denise, that is where you're going to add your business, your name, so on and so forth, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change that name. We're going to now go into edit the page, and we're going to remove that picture. So even if you don't have a picture ready, we're just going to take the picture out of there as a reminder that you need to add something, whether that be your business logo, whether that be your personal photo, back to this page. You can change the font, you can change colors, you can change this text, what it says. You want to definitely make sure you click on each of these and change the link. Let's see, we're going to change this color again. Okay, that purple is pretty. So we're going to save. We're going to exit back out, and then we're going to come to the thank you page. We're going to click on edit for the thank you page. Not only are we going to change this color, but we are also going to change the URL, because right now it has my affiliate link, my System.io affiliate link. So we're going to save changes right now. It's out of there, but I want to show you where to go to get your affiliate. So if you click on your affiliate dashboard, and then if you scroll down and click on click to copy your System.io affiliate link, then you want to go back to websites and sales funnels. You want to click on your sales funnel template again, your coming soon thank you page again, edit page. You want to click on this button, and then you want to paste your System.io affiliate link there. So you want to save changes, and then you're done. And now when you exit out of here and you click on view funnel step, there's something else that I see that needs to be changed. Do you see it? Okay, so we obviously don't have a picture. We have to add a picture. But if you look up here, it still says non-techies coming soon. So how do we fix that? We're going to come here to the DIY coming soon page, click on edit page, and then we're going to actually click settings of this page, and we're going to scroll all the way down, and right here the title of this page is what we're going to change. And so we're going to call that again DIY Denise, or whatever you are renaming everything to. So we're going to save these changes again, and we're going to refresh. And now instead of non-techies, we see DIY Denise up here, or whatever you have changed it to. So we're going to view this, and it just says thank you, so that's fine. Okay, all right. So once again, thank you for downloading my coming soon page. If you have any questions, please let me know. in the comments. I am so happy to answer and help you get started on your System.io journey. And if not, then we will see you in the next video.